Hi friends! Are you ready for a fun story? Let's go! It was raining outside. Sarah put on her yellow raincoat and boots. She splashed in the puddles and laughed. Let's answer some questions together. Are you ready? What was the weather like? Was it sunny, or was it raining? Yes. It was raining. What color was Sarah's raincoat? Was it yellow or blue? You got it. Sarah wore a yellow raincoat. What did Sarah do in the puddles? That's right, she splashed and laughed. Great job, friends! You did amazing today. Give yourself a big clap. See you next time for another story. Visit funkidseducation.com for educational games, worksheets and educational videos for kids.